Dozens of cats and dogs are spending the night at a Park County Sheriff's Department after a truck carrying the animals was blown off the highway. It happened on Highway 285 yesterday. The animals were being transported from the Mountain Ute Reservation, where there is no heat or running water right now, to the Larimer County Humane Society and Soul Dog in Fort Lupton. But that journey is on pause. The animals will stay at the Park County Sheriff's Office until weather eases up a bit, and then it's on to their new homes.